So hello positive people, welcome to our another video. So here we are with our another video, and here we are discussing the lengthiest topic in electromagnetic induction, that is Lenz's law. So what this law states, what is this law about, we can talk in this video. So let's start this video. So firstly I want to show you that how magnetic flux associated with the coil changes. So basically if I take a coil here like this and take a bar magnet here with its north pole this side and its south pole this side. If I take this bar magnet close towards the coil, then what happens? The flux, magnetic flux associated with this coil changes. How it changes? Because north pole has a greater number of magnetic field lines. So the magnetic flux associated with this coil change, and due to this change in magnetic flux, there is an induced current in this coil. Now, what is the direction of that induced current in this coil? Then come our Lenz's law, which gives us direction of that induced current in this coil. So, what is the direction of induced current? We can clearly see that a current is induced in the loop such that magnetic field due to induced current opposes the change in magnetic flux. So, if there is an induced current in this coil, that induced current generates a magnetic field, another magnetic field, and that magnetic field opposes the magnetic flux due to this bar magnet. So we can say if north pole is come towards this, so magnetic flux will increase. So my current direction will be at this point, will be at, wait a second, will be at this point. Why this? Because this is downward side, this is upward side. I can show it like dotted. Now if I take this, then my induced current have direction of this, and due to this induced current there is a magnetic field generation, and this magnetic field generation becomes this side. Why this side? Because it is opposing the magnetic flux due to this bar magnet. Okay, so become my magnetic field direction become this. What happens if I take this bar magnets away from the coil? Then what happens? If I take the coil and there is a bar magnet, this is my north, this is my south, and I take this away from the coil. Now what happens? That this is going toward outwards, then my magnetic flux will decrease. Now my magnetic flux is decreasing, so I want a current which increases my magnetic flux. So my magnetic field direction, my current direction will become like this. So due to this current, there is a magnetic field generation in this direction, and this magnetic field will help to increase the magnetic flux. Why? Because this bar magnet is going outwards, and due to this outward going, there is change in magnetic flux which is decreasing. So this is decreasing, so current will induce in this to increase the magnetic flux. That's why there is current like this and there is a current like this. Hope this video is helpful to you.